dali mo, dalian mo.
This is the stairs going down. And look, the dining, and look the London pictures here. Nalagay ko na. Medyo, it's still disorganized. We need to remove some of this. These are not mine. So another Westminster Abbey Big Ben. This is the Trafalgar Square, Piccadilly Circus, Buckingham Palace. Look, the curtain. You will see the same in the salon. And Tower Bridge by night and Tower Hill. And then I will turn off the light now. The switch is here. You can see the lanai here since we are here, but not yet done. I have bought orchids already. That is the lanai, not yet done. That is the fish pan. Can you focus the fish pan? The fish pan is there. Almost done. And then, this is the fountain that I will put there. Look the dining, it's dark here. And look at the fridge that I bought. This is all steel. I will drink Coke now because it's very hot. And I bought some displays. You will see all of this on December when we go home. Okay. That's the Van Gogh boat, remember when we bought in Amsterdam? Amsterdam Museum. And painting Cove. This is black granite. And I will show you the cabinets. This is ordinary cabinet. They have not used properly yet. That is wine cellar. This is the gas range, also stainless with electric oven. This is the, what do you call this? Compartments for plates and small plates. Some more here, not yet used properly. Microwave, that's a free one. This is another cupboard for cups, saucers, and plates. This is the pantry for groceries. Empty now. And you close like that. And this is the door towards the dirty kitchen that I will close. And look, this one. Remember this one? From Belgium, but representing Switzerland. This is the silence that I bought, around 30 to 320 pounds. And these are the display cabinets. Around 100 pounds each, but beautiful. There is a light with that. Okay. That's it. The same thing with the other one. Very humid here. This is my old television. That is the second display cabinet. And this is David. By Puchucho. Come to Daddy. Richard will see you. Uncle Richard. This is most precious, not for display. This is David. Clap your hands. Clap your hands and clap your hands. Clap your hands and 1, 2, 3. Say hello. 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 Nahihiya siya. Not in the mood. He's not in the mood.
Bye-bye.
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 Clap your hands. He just woke up minutes ago. That's why he's like this. That's Mona Lisa. I spent around 50 pounds or 60 pounds for the frame. There are 4 tables for the salad set. That is the console table. This is the center table. That is the side table. And the TV rack also is the same table. Okay, this is David Puchucho. Clap your hands. Clap your hands and 1, 2. Show to Daddy. Clap your hands and 1, 2, 3. Clap your He's not in the mood. We'll get picture when he's in the mood. Okay. But repeating again. That's the dining set that I bought from Eden from one of my tenants, former tenants, I should say. What is this? What is this? What is David. David. Open the light. Open. Open the light. Open the light. Open the light. Show to Uncle Richard. So you're reading this. Open the light. Open the light. Like that. Turn it off. Turn it off. That is the chandelier. I will make it off so you can see it nicely. Off it first. That is show to Uncle Richard. See the one underneath with a shape of flowers that is put on the ceiling. Can you shape that?